UNISNO high-speed hairdryer with brushless motor 110,000 RPM. This hairdryer has a wrought iron patent, is weakly acidic, and has 1,000 times more hydrating effect than ordinary inactive irons. Read the manual before use. The color is metallic blue, can support OEM and ODM service. Very lightweight. Air outlet, air inlets. There are 3 wind temperature models, 4 wind speed settings. Here is the storage code. The nozzle is magnetic and it is rotatable. Power on, let's use paper to test. Then power off, paper stops. Press and hold the wind speed button for 5 seconds. You can achieve the self-cleaning function for back blowing.